everyone, welcome back to Kravings Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a really refreshing lemongrass lemonade. The summer is finally here and this is going to be the perfect drink to serve outside. Before I get any further with the recipe, do make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I upload new videos every week, so do make sure that you're subscribed so you are the first to see them. Also, ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. When life hands you lemons and you have lemongrass on hand, it's the perfect combo for a lemongrass lemonade. Let's start with the syrup. I'm going to add 1 cup of water, followed by 1 cup of honey. Allow this to heat up so the honey has had a chance to dissolve. I have about 2 lemongrass sticks here and I've just taken the skin off and sliced it. This is about a half cup of sliced lemongrass. If you've never used lemongrass before, I will leave a link at the end of this video and in the description to show you how to clean it. Allow this to come to the boil to infuse the scent and flavor of lemongrass. Put a lid on it and allow it to boil. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the strained lemongrass syrup. Add 4 to 6 cups of cold water depending on how strong you want your lemonade. Give this a stir, have a taste, and it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me in Kravings Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and refreshing recipe for lemongrass lemonade. Do make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see them. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on all of my social media channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care guys, bye! The summer is finally here in full force and I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious and refreshing, I can't even remember what it is. I can't remember what I made.